Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today is PJ Day.
Yippee.
So this is a pajama subscription through Sunshine Sisters. They also have a t-shirt subscription. Krista is our resident expert on Sunshine Sisters, so I'm going to leave it to her to explain all the details while I get mine open.
So this is what they'll look like when you get it in the mail. It's very cute packaging. The subscription for the PJs is $24.99 a month plus shipping, and we get it. We're so excited to get this month. I looked at the previews. We had paused it, so we didn't get it because they said it was going to be shorts. And I wear shorts now because I get hot at night in the summer, but not a lot. I still prefer the joggers and the wide legs. But she said these were longer, but made short, and they were
crossed.
4th of July red, white, and blue print. And so we had to get them. We each wanted them when we saw them. I mean, all her shorts are adorable. I have like 4 pair now.
When I saw these, it's red, white, and blue and cherries.
I mean, this is adorable.
So cute.
The top is cute. I mean, we had to have them, and we had to sign up for the monthly tea that goes with it.
We'll do a separate video.
We'll do a video on it, and wait till you see.
Is it here yet?
No, and this is the June subscription. So if you go to Sunshine Sisters website and go to and click on VIP at the top in the banner, you will get, if you order it this month, this is the set you will get.
And the top is a tank.
Look at the cute.
And the shorts are still pretty short, but this is technically longer than their other shorts.
And look, it has buttons on the front.
Oh, cute.
Little detail. And then on the back is a pocket, a back pocket. Oh my gosh, these are so soft.
You can tell from the inseam how short these are, but these really are about 1 inch longer than the regular shorts, which are basically, they're very, very short. I don't want to say that they're basically underwear, but they're kind of that short.
I go up a size in their shorts just to make them a little bit roomier.
They are cute.
Oh gosh, these are so
slightly
soft.
ruffly. The hem is slightly ruffly.
Slightly ruffly. These and the smaller you are, the longer the shorts look on you. We happen to have wide hips and a caboose, and so they are not as long on us. But on Jordan and Caitlin on their TikTok,
you can see on their pictures on the website.
It's a lot longer on them because they're both.
It depends on your body style. Is what we're trying to say. But so based on how you're built, the shorts will be longer or shorter.
The bows and the cherries and the stars and the stripes. There's a light pale blue stripe in the. Oh my gosh, I am so glad I got these. Are so.
I mean, get really good look. How pretty.
Oh.
You can see faintly the light blue stripes in there.
Oh, these are so cute. I think I'm going to wear these tonight, folks.
These are adorable.
And they're so soft. Her pajamas are so
And I love the tank.
Soft.
It gives you a really cool summer top.
Yes.
Very cute.
Oh.
So, again, we love Jordan's jammies. We are both running out of dresser space because we have so many pairs of pajamas.
Yes.
I never in my life would have thought I would have pajamas overtake my bedroom, but
I filled up 3 drawers in my dresser and working on a shelf in the closet.
But wait, there's more. There's so many more. And they keep having cute ones. Plus, Krista's been shopping on the TikTok auction, which is really fun.
And it's just random stuff, random sizes. You never know what they're going to pull out.
Today they did a back and forth between Halloween kind of stuff and 4th of July and summer stuff. Every other item.
And it could be hats, it could be a sweatshirt, it could be a zip up, it could be t-shirts, it could be a tank, it could be pajama sets, it could be joggers.
Krista got, this isn't it, but Krista got, we live in Oklahoma and they happen to have an Oklahoma State shaped pendant necklace, and Krista won the auction for that. So it's very cute, by the way.
It is. So yeah, TikTok shop is fun one, just being Jordan's page, it's fun.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. We had fun showing you our PJs again. Yes. If you are a Jordan's Jammy Sunshine Sisters, I can't talk, subscriber, post in the comments when you learn about them, how many pairs you have. We'd love to hear more stories of Jordan Jammy lovers. Yes. But for now, we want to wish you a great rest of your day, and thanks for joining us.
Bye.